Hello, my name is Patrick, and today I'm going to do a short video on how to install a bed liner into a 2023 Chevy Silverado custom pickup truck. The bed liner that I ordered is called Trailfx. That's the name of the company, and I have it right over here. So this is the Trailfx bed liner that I'm going to install today on a 2023 Chevy Silverado custom pickup truck. Here we go. I'm going to attempt to do this by myself. Shouldn't be too crazy difficult. You have to get that part to go over the top of the front of the bed. Tuck these underneath this black part here. Push it in at the bottom. Come over to the other side. And then this is the difficult part. I believe if you lift up in the middle, you get the side to come down a little bit. Might need a hand with somebody else to do this. Maybe not. Let's see how it goes. It goes in there. That's going to be difficult. So, in the end, I did get it by myself. There's these tabs that slip up under here, and the ones that were in the front were the hardest to get to flip underneath this plastic cap that's on the bed already. But you have to pry this out, pry those in, and they pop in. This one pops in, then you work the sides in, and in the end, you do this to the back and pop those in like that on both sides, and that's it. And then after it's in the sun for a couple of days or a day or a couple hours, it lays down in the middle flat, but it fits real good, and it looks real good. Fits like a glove, tight fitting glove.